Hello folks, we come to the part 6 video of this exercise 2.2. Should be the last video for this exercise. Let us see how we can get across doing these problems. 19 problem says that it is cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. Now the same problem that we encountered in the earlier problems, where the angle that is given over here, that is not in the principal branch, the moment it is there in the principal branch, only then we will be able to apply the result directly. So therefore we are trying to put the 7 pi by 6 in the principal branch, and let's see how we can have it in the principal branch. The principal branch for cos is between 0 and pi. Cos inverse is between 0 and pi. So therefore we could consider this cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6 as cos inverse of cos. The 7 pi by 6 could be well called as pi plus pi by 6. So this will lie in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant it's only tan and cot which is positive. So this will become minus cos pi by 6. And cos inverse has got this property that if there is a minus, then we always write it as pi minus cos inverse of whatever that we have there. Right. Now because this is in the principal branch, this can be simplified and it will become pi minus pi by 6. On equalizing, we will have 6 pi minus pi by 6. That way it will come to 5 pi by 6. Yes, the answer is 5 pi by 6, the B option. Yes. So that's how this can be worked out, right? Now we see the next one, sine pi by 3 minus, let's see sine pi by 3 minus, now sine inverse, we have learned that if there is a negative value, then the negative can come out, right? Sine inverse, tan inverse and cosec inverse, you can do that. So this can become minus sine inverse of half. This you can do. So this will become sine pi by 3 minus into minus will become plus sine inverse of half. Now this is quite okay because you know that sine 30 is half. So sine inverse of half is going to be pi by 6. So therefore it is sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Yeah, that's how we got it. Now you can equalize this. So when we equalize it, will become sine of 2 pi plus pi over 6. That means it is sine 3 pi by 6, which is pi by 2, and sine pi by 2 is 1. The answer is 1 in this case. Only that much, right? Then we come to this next question, tan inverse of root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3. Same property. Tan inverse of root 3 will be as it is, but cot, whenever cot inverse, cos inverse, cot inverse and sec inverse, if they have a negative value, then you write it as pi minus. So therefore this will become pi minus cot inverse of root 3. So this is now tan inverse of root 3 minus, when you open the bracket, minus plus cot inverse of root 3. Now these have a property that tan inverse theta plus cot inverse theta is always pi by 2, we know. So because these two angles are same, that property can be applied, and these two together will become pi by 2. So it's pi by 2 minus pi, which is coming up, and yeah, so pi by 2 minus pi. So when we equalize into 2 into 2, so it's like pi minus 2 pi whole by 2, that will come to minus pi by 2, and for us that's our answer, right? That's how we get across doing this MCQ problem, and we are done with this. In the next video we are coming up with miscellaneous exercise. Thank you.